Hi guys, welcome back to Baking in Style. So today we're going to be making glow-in-the-dark Halloween cupcakes. I am super excited to make this. I've never made a dessert that's glow-in-the-dark, so this will be exciting. What you'll need will be flour, cocoa powder, and cinnamon, light brown sugar, and granulated sugar, sour cream, baking powder and baking soda, vegetable or olive oil, vanilla extract, eggs. I'll put all the ingredients and their measurements in the description down below if you guys want to follow along. So first, what you want to do is preheat your oven to 325 degrees and line 12 cup on tin with cupcake liners and also grease them. I have these really cute Halloween cupcake liners. I also cut this recipe in half, so it only makes 12. But I will put the measurements for 24 and 12 in there. So I guess second, what you want to do is combine all of your dry ingredients. So both of your sugars, cinnamon, flour, baking powder, and baking soda, and cocoa powder. Now I'm going to grab a quarter cup, measuring spoon, and just put a little less than that into the tins, or the I'll see you guys in a few minutes to make the glow-in-the-dark buttercream. Okay, so now I'm going to make the buttercream. This one, instead of heavy cream, we use tonic water. So what you'll need will be butter at room temperature, powdered sugar, tonic water, and vanilla extract. Again, I'll put all the ingredients and the measurements in the description down below if you guys want to follow along. First, what you want to do is beat your butter until it's nice, light, and fluffy. Okay, so those are all done. I'm going to let those cool for 10 minutes and then take them out. Still working on the buttercream here in a little bit, but I'll see you guys when it's time to transfer the cupcakes to a cooling rack.
Lots of ums there.
Wow!
Yeah, appreciate these bugs.
They look delicious too.
Yep.
Thanks.
You're welcome. Okay, good luck.
Okay, so now it's time to make the glow-in-the-dark, like, I guess it's kind of like a dip, I guess, but not really. So what you need is boiling water, tonic water, and lime jello. It's just one small box of lime jello. So first I'm going to start with mixing together the boiling water and lime jello. Whoa. Just mix this until it's it's all dissolved. Okay, now you're going to place this bowl into a larger bowl with ice water. Let's just do this. Don't fill it a whole ton with ice water, just like a little bit, because you don't want the Jello like mixture to like get in the water. Just let this sit until the Jello mixture is cool to the touch. So that'll be a little bit. Cupcakes are all out. I'm gonna take them out in a few minutes and just let them cool. So I'll see you guys when it's time to decorate. Okay, so now it is time to frost the cupcakes. I've put all the buttercream into a big piping bag and put the number 12 tip. And here, one second. Okay, now what you're gonna do is just take one and then just okay, so now they've been in the freezer for about 5 minutes. Now it's time to dip it in the like Jello tonic water glow mixture. So we're just gonna take one. Let's see. Okay. There we go. Okay, now I'm going to put this in the fridge or in the freezer again for about 5 to 10 minutes and repeat this 4 to 6 times. Yeah. So I'm gonna go take these to the freezer.